Sorry for calling you on such short notice, but Samir has received a contract from a foreign company. Therefore, he will have to go to Mumbai.
Mr. Verma, but that would...
Oh, no, Mr. Gupta, that is not the problem. Problem is that they want Samir to join next week itself. And if that happens, then the wedding would get delayed.
Mr. Verma, we were going to have the wedding after 3 months anyway. By then, Samir's work would be done,
No,
right?
Mr. Gupta. Actually, it's an American company. Once he starts working there, then he's going to be extremely busy for at least a year. Actually, I was wondering if Samir and Shikha's marriage could happen before Samir leaves for Mumbai.
You mean in a couple of days?
Yes, Mr. Gupta. I know that it sounds ridiculous, but we don't have any other option, do we?
Mr. Verma, how would we make the arrangements so fast? We need to do a lot of preparations. Actually, if Samir's work is that important, we will wait for a year. We don't mind.
But that's a very long time.
But a week is too less, Sudha. Lots of arrangements have to be made. We haven't even informed our relatives yet. We need to fix a place for the wedding. There's too much work.
Mr. Gupta, if you don't mind, may I suggest something? The invitation cards, clothes, shopping, these are just formalities, right? What's more important is their happiness. They wish to get married and spend their lives together. It doesn't matter if it's a simple wedding, is it not?
Why a simple wedding? We could use a farmhouse.
Hey, that's a great idea. Mr. Gupta, we will get them married at my farmhouse. It's not too far from the city. You need not worry at all. We'll make all the arrangements. Right? What do you say, Samir?
Dad, I think we shouldn't trouble Mr. Gupta too much. After all, this wedding is very important to him too. He must have made certain plans. Mahi and Vineet would also be excited about them, right? I do not want to trouble him by rushing things. Mr. Gupta, please don't worry. Things will progress as per your plans. We'll have the wedding after 3 months. But Samir, your work. Mr. Gupta, I'll drop the plan of going to Mumbai. A contract isn't more important than everybody's happiness. I understand. It's okay. No, Samir, it's not okay. You shouldn't compromise with work, dear. Will you give up on this chance for marriage? But Mr. Gupta, no, Samir. You have got a great opportunity. You can't just let go of it. As for the arrangements, Mr. Verma is right. What's more important is the happiness of you two.
Shikha, you don't have a problem, right?
I'll be fine with whatever Mom and Dad decide.
Mr. Verma, we don't have a problem with the idea.
Perfect. You have solved all our problems, Mr. Gupta. In 4 days will be Samir and Shikha's marriage. Congratulations, Mr. Gupta.
Hey, please have
Please
something.
have some tea.
I'll just be back.
Please.
It's done.
Mom?
What's the matter, Shikha? Why are you looking like that at your wedding attire?
Shikha, are you nervous because you're getting married tomorrow?
It's okay, dear. It happens to everyone. Even I went through such emotions. And you know what? Before our wedding, your dad and me didn't meet even once.
Are you serious, Mom?
Yes. This was a norm in our times.
And you got married to Dad without meeting him or knowing him?
Yes, dear. Back then, marriage was all about trust. I had faith in my family, and your dad had faith in his family. And you know,
Mahi, give me the phone.
24 hours prior to wedding, no meeting and no phone calls.
Mahi, give me the phone. Mom, ask her to return it.
Mahi,
Hello, Mr. Samir.
Mahi? You? Where is Shikha?
She's right here, but she will not speak to you.
But why? What have I done now?
Nothing. But there's just one day to go for the wedding. So, you're not allowed to talk to her.
What do you mean?
Ask your mom about it. She'll explain it to you.
Mahi.
Mom, this phone would be in my possession now, okay? See you, Samir.
But. My sister-in-law to be.
Mahi dear, who follows these rituals nowadays?
No, Mom. We will follow them.
Mahi, why do you trouble her?
Mom.
Shikha dear, you should sleep now.
Okay, Shikha. Now you can complete your poem. I'm out of here. Good night.
Mahi, return my phone. Mahi.
All right, dear. My darling daughter. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, dear.
Only tonight lies between us. From tomorrow, I'll be yours. I'll leave my people and enter your world. Tomorrow's dawn will give me a new life. I don't even know if my dreams are going to come true. Would I be praised for the tea I prepare? Are you going to like the halwa that I prepare for you? Will I be able to write poems even after I get married? Would your love for me stand the tests of time? I take each step towards sleep with these questions in mind. I'm going to complete the night that stands between us. Good night.
Did you keep the rest of the things in the car?
Yes, I
You
have.
see the suitcase here?
Yes.
Keep them in the car
Yes,
too.
sir.
All right. Quick, come on, come on.
Okay.
Anita?
Yes.
Yeah. You know, there's a small bag, black in color in the room.
Okay.
Go and get it.
Right away.
Hurry up.
Yes. Are all the arrangements made? Okay. We are about to leave. Okay.
Samir sir,
Yes?
few people have come to meet you.
Okay, make them to sit. I'll be there.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll see you. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Please take a seat. So, tell me.
So, all your formalities are over. These are the company files. The company has been dissolved. As per your instruction, every employee has been paid the salary of 2 months. And all your accounts have been closed. Sir, I need your signature on few checks and papers.
Sure. So do I take that I won't be needed in Nasik anymore?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Sir, by the way, congratulations on your wedding.
Thank you. Thank you.
Vinny dear, pack all your clothes and belongings carefully, okay? I don't want to hear upon reaching there that I forgot something, okay?
But mom, where is my black t-shirt?
Not again. Mahi, get dressed soon, dear. You take too long to get dressed up.
Almost done, Mom.
The beads. Oh God. Listen, dear. I had told you about the beads, right? What happened to it? When do we get that?
Yes, mom, the beads will be delivered home. Yet I'll call him and once remind him.
Haven't you reminded him yet? Call him soon, dear. I hope you're aware that we have to leave. And yes, that bus. Also find out when the bus will reach the guest house, okay? All our relatives are calling up.
Okay.
Oh God. The sweet boxes aren't packed yet. The clothes aren't packed yet. I wonder when we will leave and reach there. How do we manage this?
Calm down. Calm down.
How can I calm down? There is so much work pending. The beads aren't here. And you want me to calm down?
It will all be done. I'll do it. Why are you getting so tense? There's a wedding at home. Enjoy it. Alright, do this for me. Firstly, go and get Shikha dressed. I'm right here. I'll handle everything.
Okay. Alright.
Vineet?
Okay, listen to me.
Yes.
Alright, we'll leave soon and visit the temple on the way, okay?
Okay, fine.
Okay? Is that okay?
Vineet, dear, do one thing. Pack your bag soon. And head to the guest house. I'm calling the bus driver. Take all the guests in the bus and take them there directly. We'll follow by a car, okay?
Yes.
Silly Mahi. Shaitan. Shaitan. I'll miss you. I'll really miss you. Look here. Shaitan, look at me, please. Now, how can I go if you sulk sadly too? Look here. Look at me. Look at me. You have to look after Mom. Don't trouble her too much. Promise me? You have to look after everyone. Dad, Vineet, Mahi.
Shikha dear, what is Shaitan saying?
He's very sad, Mom.
He will miss you the most, Shikha.
He will just miss me. I'm going to miss you all.
Is your packing done? Huh?
Yes, I've packed everything.
Pack us all into a bag and take us along too.
Look, I'm dressed already. And you too? Mom. Save these tearful embraces for after the wedding. Isn't it, Shikha?
Shut up. Stop talking silly things.
Let's go, Mom. Let's go, Shikha.
Come on.
Don't cry, Mom. Stop crying. Let's go.
Okay, come. Come.
Let's go.
Shikha dear, hurry up. How long will it take to reach there?
I think it's not very far.
It is Sameer's dad.
Huh? Give it to me. Hello? 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 Uncle, I can't hear your voice. Hello?
Dear, what's the matter?
I don't know, Dad. No one's talking. Hello? Hello? The line got disconnected.
Dear, do this. You call him back. Maybe there's something urgent.
Okay.
It's nothing, Dad. Let me tell you. Sameer's dad didn't call up. It was Sameer's call.
Mahi! No one was talking, Dad.
Then it was definitely Sameer's call.
Mahi, shut up.
He was listening to your voice quietly, Shikha. I must say, Sameer is quite romantic.
Mahi!
Mahi, enough of joking now. Stop it. Don't irritate her.
Greetings, priest.
Today is Shikha's marriage. We have come here to take blessings from God before the marriage.
But I suggested a wedding rate about 3 months later.
Priest, what to say? The groom is going abroad due to his work. That's why everything is happening in a hurry.
Anyway, no problem. Everything is God's wish. Please come.
Yes. Today Shikha is going to start a new life. Please look after her, goddess. Please protect her.
I have nurtured her with lots of affection. She should always be loved. Please give all her sorrows to me.
Please protect Sameer and Shikha from all evil eyes.
My parents will think a lot about me. Please look after them. Mahi and Vineet will miss me badly too. You have to look after everyone, God.